Oh, you gotta be joking with me right now. There's no way. This is at Dreiser Hall, Indiana State. Seems like this building was just totally overhauled. High security. Wonderful, they just installed a Gen2. Three works. Oh, look at that. There's a fire alarm strobe in here. How could they pull something like that off? Here at 3. This building looks like it was totally just overhauled, and they just probably installed this new. It's got a high ceiling and hi, Mr. Security. I mean, the cab's nice, but I'm quite disappointed they just went with a Gen2. 5,000 pound capacity in your certificate. Well, that's kind of a disappointment. But anyways, that'll be it.